Hello, my name is Ganesh Bulusu and I work as a quality assurance engineer in our driver education online system project. In this Sprint 1 retrospective, I will walk you through and our group contributions and my individual contribution over last 3 weeks. Here is our team component and the sprint overview. My team consists of Abdul Jalil as a team lead and Pravalika as a project manager and Vamshi and myself as a QA. And we all contributed closely through Sprint 1. The main goal of the Sprint 1 was used set up the core functionalities for the students, like including login, registration, sessions booking, calendar views, and the dashboard experience. And coming to sprint deliveries, as a team, we successfully completed several key features, including student registration and login, and booking and rescheduling of sessions, and session viewing in a calendar format. And coming to the product roadmap contribution, so I have contributed some of our user stories for the admin dashboard. So in the sprint one, it's a sprint one planning involvement. Participated in initial sprint planning and helped and prioritize the product backlog items. And coming to next user stories testing responsibilities. Worked on the admin test suite, validating dashboard functionalities like navigating buttons, visuality of data tables. And next one is the feedback loop. Identify test failures related to button visibility and session data rendering. And coming to the team component and evidence of work, here the product roadmap is completed and 26 user stories drafted with acceptance criteria and unit test setup just plus React testing library. And here 11 test cases were used across three test suites. So here is my individual component. My personal responsibilities this sprint work. I have written and revised student and admin user stories with acceptance criteria, and I have manually checked the components are rendered correctly, and I have tested the validations and input errors in the admin panel. So here is our individual learning and reflections. I have learned the test-driven development practices, and I also learned understood AI behavior testing with screen jet by role and jet by text dot etc. And I have improved team coordination through bug reporting and tracking. Here is the stream application and the portfolio. I have applied knowledge of QA stream for UI testing using Jest and RTL, and portfolio updated with test evidence, code commits, and the sprint report. Coming to conclusion, overall Sprint 1 gave me valuable experience in a collaborative agile environment. As a QA engineer, I was able to ensure admin and the student facing features worked as expected with proper test coverage. And I am excited to continue and refining and expanding my contribution and our testing coverage in the next sprint. Here I will share some of the screenshots of our admin dashboard. Yeah, this is our login page. In this login page, I have verified everything whether the page loads correctly or not without errors. And I have checked the sign in and register buttons on the top right are visible. And coming to next screenshot, I have checked the first name, the last name, uh, and I also checked for the email address. I also checked for the password and the security, and I have checked the continue with Google is working or not. And our team worked very well. This everything is working well. Coming to next screenshot, uh, here I have checked Pop-up appears correctly after clicking the sign in button, and verified continue with Google. Input fields are editable, and continue button is visible, clickable after input. Yeah, and here is our admin dashboard. Here we can see everything about our project overview, about the admin dashboard. So in this admin dashboard, I have checked the dashboard and the sessions, instructors, vehicles, whether they are clickable or not, the students, attendance, everything. And I have checked for campus statistics for Balrat, Berwick, and other campus. And here is our admin test suite. So in this, I have written my test code for the testing of uh, the admin dashboard, and I have given one test suite and three test cases. In this, it's work. Everything is work well, and the tests are passed within 2 seconds. Thank you.